I'm going to take you on a tour of this unique Westcraft. This is titled as a 1949 Westcraft trolley top. You can see it's a 5-window there on the top, and as well it has air conditioning. It's also the unique tandem axle model, which makes it a little more unique than most. But what you're going to see is the way it's built out is more unique than most as well. So this has been refurbished to be a bedroom trailer, I guess is what you would call it. I'm not sure what to call it. You'll see as we walk through, there's what's got to be a queen size, maybe even bigger, maybe a king size bed built in the front of the trailer with the headboard over there against the wall. This is all new construction. You're going to see there's still craft paper on the floor protecting the Marmoleum flooring. This trailer was a frame off and is all new construction. Straight ahead in from the entry door is the bathroom, and the sink is installed as well. You can see how clean the plumbing is underneath, but there is not a toilet in here as of yet. And this is not built out as a wet bath. So this unit would just have a toilet potentially and hand wash sink there. And this really is made as a sleeping trailer. There's a closet here with a closet rack, but no door on that closet. So you could hang a curtain there as you like or craft a door for it. Through this door, there's some privacy in the trailer, and it's got the twin beds here in the center of the trailer with the lighting over each one, and then also that nice cubby shelf in each one that also houses electrical, and it looks like 12-volt phone chargers, device chargers. And if I spin around in here, there is more shelving, open shelving, and of course the beautiful trolley top and AC unit that's been wood grained to match the interior in here. So really beautiful woodwork throughout, light colored birch, and then another what may be a fuller queen size bed pedestal with storage in the back. And the same thing with the closet here. The owner had these closets built out and had a vision of curtains over them, not more doors. And so there's no closet door in that one either. And then some overhead storage here. But you can see the woodwork and metalwork throughout is all new and all just been done. If I didn't show it, there's storage underneath these pedestals as well, drawers underneath these pedestals, as well as both the beds in the front and back of the trailer. So kind of a unique thing. If you do something like this, it looks like it could sleep about 6 people in separate sleeping areas. So the people in the front would have the privacy, and then the 2 twin beds and the full bed in the back of the trailer. Thanks for checking it out.